I could never really share all the amazing things that have happened in 4 years with our dog
Hi, Soph.
rehabilitation program,
Sissy.
which
Hi,
started
Soph.
with Sophie,
Little
right here,
theater?
Sophie. Sophie now lives in Netherland, Colorado for 4 years and counting. She's loved and cherished for life. We started with a donation of $1,000 and Sophie, and Positive Pathways was born. This is Daisy. She was our second. All of our dogs were urgent in rural shelters, which most of rural Colorado has only holding facilities. We have a couple shelters, but in most cases, there's not a lot of hope or chance at life for these dogs, mainly pit bulls or pit bull mixes. We are called to this work. God brings each and every dog and family or person to be matched with the right dog. This is Zahara. She was placed 3.5 years ago, and once again had absolutely no hope. This is one of my favorites, Polo. Yep, Polo, we're gonna take a chance on you. You're a good boy. So we're at Denver Down Friends League, and this is Polo. He's 9 months old. He's gonna come pick him up of our program. Could not handle the stress. So we took him into our program. He's now a service dog and is serving his master, living with 3 cats. We're on the road a lot in Colorado, or at least Brandy is. This is my prized last pit bull. We have 5, Sweet Pea. She is cherished. She came in once again from a rural shelter with no hope at life. She had 23 mammary tumors, fleas, ticks, and all she wanted was love. Look at her. We love our Sweet Pea. And we love Bristol. Thank you for giving shelter dogs and pit bulls a second chance. If properly rehabilitated, evaluated, they make the best dogs. The key is a dog should be judged by his behavior or their behavior, not by how they look. And lastly, this little girl, her name was Honey, began at Positive Pathways. We built back her spirit, her mind. Every day reminded us of why we do this work. These aren't just animals, they're souls who deserve a second chance.
I know, you're just a love bug, huh? You just want to be loved by everybody. Ah.
Then the moment came we all wait for with every dog. Gigi found her perfect family, and many of Gigi's buddies also found their perfect families. A fresh start. At Positive Pathways, we serve the ones who have no voice, the underserved, the unwanted. We believe every dog matters, especially the forgotten ones like Gigi. Gigi's story is one of many, but for her, for us, it changed everything. Help us continue our mission, one dog, one life at a time, one heart at a time. Welcome home, Gigi.